Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy Ricky Pullers here, and today I have a brand new dash cam from Azdome. Big shout out to Azdome. I have the M550 Pro, and I will be installing that in the S5 today. So let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I just opened up the package, and this is what it looks like when you first open it. You have the user manual right here. You have all of the cords to plug it in, and you get it connected right here. Oh, this actually looks like the rear camera. And then here is more cords right here. Show you guys. Oh yeah, here is the camera right here. This is the interior camera, and then this would be the exterior one. All right, so guys, I just got the dash cam all plugged in and set up, as you guys can see right here. And this one is so fancy, you guys can even see me right there, the interior cam, and you guys can see the front. So I love this camera. It looks super good so far. It was very easy to set up. Shout out to Azdome. Go give them a follow.